Hey guys, and welcome to another video. And in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a hexagon cardigan. Now if you're coming from the shorts of the cardigan that's for men's, and everyone's asking me, oh, how to make a men's cardigan, it's very much unisex. So in this video I'm going to be telling you how long I made, how many rows I did for mine, and how many rows I did for my husband, because those are the cardigans that I showed in my shorts. So if you're coming from those videos and you see I've posted this tutorial, then this is the measurements I'm giving. Now you can take away rows and add rows based on the length and the width you want for your cardigan. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm not sure if this is going to be a 2-part, 3-part, 4-part, but we're going to see. So you get your yarn, whatever colors you want. I'm using this cream, gray, and pink color. I just wanted the cardigan to be a little off. So either way, I'm going to make a magic circle. So I'm just going to wrap it around, bring it back around, cross it over. It makes an X. Put my hook under the first one, go under the second one, go up, and pull it through. No, did I mess that up? Do it over. Go under, go back around, and you're going to pull this through. So I just made a magic circle. If it's easier for you, you can also just chain 4. One, 2, 3, 4, and then you're just going to slip stitch into the first one and chain 1. Then you're going to go into the middle space and start your double crochets, but I don't like doing that, so I'm gonna do the magic circle. So once you make your magic circle, you're going to make 6 clusters with a chain 2 in between. So double crochet 3 into the circle, chain 2, three, chain 2, 3, can y'all see that? So all I did was double crochet 3 in a circle, chain 2, 3 in a circle, chain 2, 3 in a circle. So now we have 3 clusters. We need 3 more. So we're gonna 1, 2, and then chain 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 2 more. 5, and then 6. And you can pull the string at any time to close it up a little if you want. That was 2, this is 3. Then we're going to chain 2, and we're going to slip stitch into the first double crochet. So this is the first double crochet right here. So we're going to slip stitch into that. And we're just going to close up the circle. It really doesn't matter what side the string is on, because wherever the string is on, you just know that's the back. The other side will be the front. Okay, so now all you're going to do is you can just turn your work and start working your double crochets into the corner space. If you want to chain 3 and then put 2 in the corner space, it's up to you. It doesn't matter to me. I'm just going to put 3 double crochets into the corner space. And then you're going to chain 2. And this is round 2, so now we're just going to continue making the corner spaces. So now we put 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to go into the next space and we're going to do the same thing. Three, chain 2, and then you put another cluster. Sorry guys. And then you're going to continue doing the same thing all the way to the end. And that's the pattern for round 2. Okay guys, so at the end of round 2, you're going to just slip stitch into the first double crochet, turn your work, and this is how it should be looking. And then once again, so now we have corner spaces and we have side spaces. So we're only going to do 1 cluster in the side spaces. And then when we get to our corner, we're going to do the corners as normal. So 2 clusters into the corner. So now we have another side space. So we're doing one cluster. And now we add another corner. So that's the pattern for round 3 and all the rounds that follow after that. So you're going to keep going until you get to the end of round 3. So at the end of round 3, let me make this clear. At the end of round 3, this is what it should be looking like. And if you fold it properly, you can see that it'll start to look like a little cardigan. So for round 4, you're going to do the same thing. Turn your work into the side space. Do your 3 double crochets. Corner space is going to be 2 clusters with a chain 2 in the middle. It's looking like so far. Basically, this is what, close it up for you guys. This is kind of what, this is what the cardigan is looking like so far. Obviously, I have to add gray in there. But yeah, once you keep going and going and going, I ended off on round 4 with this one. This one is the one I started working on already. Once you keep going, now for women or men, depending on how big or slouchy you want it, if you want it to be like a loose fit, I would say do about 20 rows. If you need more, you can always try it on and see if you need more. See how much it covers your back. This would be the arm part, obviously. This is the body. So all you would do is just put it on your arm and put it like to your shoulder in your arm so you can see how much of the front it covers, how much of the back it covers. If you need somebody to help you, or use some stitch markers and put it in there so you can hold it so you can just slide your arm in, see how it look on you. But I recommend probably 18 to 20 rows depending on how big you want it, how small you want it. So come back when you've done your desired amount of rows, and that's when I will come back and show you guys what it's looking like. Okay guys, so this is the progress, and this is going to be the end of part 1, and then for part 2 we're going to be closing it up, putting the arms, and adding a cuff. So make sure you like and thumbs up this video, let me know what you think, and we will be back for part 2.